Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. In the previous session, we discussed the topic puzzle and you learn how to make an open box, cube and sweet box. Today we are going to start with the new topic, a simple way to draw a cube. Chanda wants to make a deep drawing of this cube. Here is this cube and Chanda wants to make a deep drawing of this cube. She draws the cube like this. I drew two squares like this to show the front face and the back face. Here she has drawn this front face and this is back face. So she drew two squares. Then I joined the corners of the squares like this to make the deep drawing of the box. Then she joined the corners of the squares. Let me show you how to draw this cube. This I have drawn before also, I am drawing again here. See, square, then another square inside it. Now join the corners like this, from here to here, from this corner to this corner, then here. In this way we can make a cube. See, here also we can join this corner. So this is a simple way to draw a cube. Now here, in the same way, make a deep drawing of a box which looks like this. So let us draw the deep drawing of this box. First draw two squares, then join the lines. Children, here I have made a deep drawing of a box which look like this. You can see here, and you can also make in your notebook. This both deep drawing of cube and deep drawing of this box. So children, here is the conventional way of drawing the cube. Here this, and you need more practice to draw this type of drawing. Let us move on page number 132. So children, open the page number 132. Here topic is matchbox play. Here you can see matchbox. So Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya made this bridge using matchboxes. This Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya, they made this bridge using matchboxes. Children, here you need to remember the type of view. There are three types of view. Top view, this is called top view, this front view, and from here is side view, that you have already learned in standard 3. Naveen and Pratigya made drawings of the bridge. The bridge looks like this to me from where I am standing. So this boy is standing in front of the bridge. So the bridge will look like this, means this part only you can see. So this is the front view. Then from your drawing I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. From this drawing we can understand the length and height of the bridge, but we cannot make out how wide it is. For this we have to see the side view. The bridge looks like this to me. My drawing shows how high our bridge is and how wide it is. So from side view we can understand how long and how high and also how wide the bridge is. So this is the side view. This is front view and this is side view, because it will look like this from this side. This is side view, where Pratigya is. From there she can see the side view of a bridge. Now question is, if you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing below. So we have to find out how it will look from the top. That means top view of the bridge. This is not top view, this is top view. So this is correct option. If you observe the bridge, you can understand this. See, this is the top view here. From the top it will look like this. So option B is correct. Look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. So here you have to see the photo and you have to make a deep drawing of this bridge. Student, you can draw the deep drawing of this bridge like this. So draw in your notebook. Student, here is the end of this session and we will solve the questions of practice time in the next video session. And your homework is try to draw the deep drawing of this bridge which I have shown you in this video. Thank you.